Today for you to introduce a China electric torque wrench TN-5B. It is a special tool for tightening large hexagon high-strength bolts. It is one of the China best-selling electric torque wrench models. Its use method is clear at a glance. Convenient, simple, and embodies the humanized design. The electric torque wrench is guaranteed, with small volume and light weight. It is widely used in various steel structure industries, such as bridges, wind power, oil pipelines, railway construction and so on.